All right, welcome back. So today we got a gift in the mail. We got some sausage from our friends over at Hill Country Homestead. The link to their channel will be in the description down below, and a link to their video on how they made this sausage. So before we get started on what we're going to do with this sausage, how about we try it?
Yes, please. Toddler approved. Great job, guys. You're really good.
It is really good. Got a nice smoky flavor. I mean, all around, absolutely delicious.
Fantastic.
You like it all?
Good.
What if we made potato salad with it?
That'd be nice.
All right, so let's try putting this in some potato salad and see how it turns out. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so to start the potatoes, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up 4 cups of Yukon Gold potatoes. So we're just going to dice these up as you would normally dice a potato. So then once you get your potatoes diced up, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna boil these guys. So we're just gonna dump these into a pot. Just ensure that all the potatoes are covered with water. And then we're just gonna boil these until we can stab them with a fork, and it comes out nice and easy. And it also goes in nice and easy. So while the potatoes are cooking, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dice up an onion. All right, so while our potatoes are cooking, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hard boil about 4 eggs. So we're just gonna drop these into the pan. So we're gonna bring this water up to a boil with the eggs in it, and then we're gonna let it sit for about 7 to 8 minutes. So at that point in time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the stove, remove it from the heat, and then let these cool, and then peel the shells off at that time. So once you get your eggs cooked and peeled, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slice these up. And then we're gonna chop up our sausage. So we're gonna chop these into fairly large slices. I don't want the flavor of the sausage to fall victim to the other flavors in the potato salad itself. All right, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan. And then we are going to throw our onion in there with about a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning and a tablespoon of celery seeds. And then we're just going to saute this onion until the onion itself is translucent. So then once your onions are sauteed, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and add the sausage. So we're just gonna dump that in there and then just kind of mix everything up. Basically what we wanna do now is we just wanna get the summer sausage itself just up to temperature a little bit with the onions. That way it just kind of brings out more of the flavor. All right, so then once we get our potatoes cooked, as you can see, stab it with a fork, easily goes in and easily comes out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the potatoes. We're just gonna dump those in. Then we're gonna take our eggs, and then we're just gonna dump those in. And then we're gonna take about 2 cups of mayonnaise, and we're just gonna dump that in. And then we're gonna take our sausage. And then we're just gonna dump that in. As you can see, someone clearly likes the sausage. Then we're just gonna mix this all up, and there we have it. So then before we serve this, what we're gonna do is we're just going to chop up some chives and then just throw this on top. Nothing too fancy, just add a little bit more of that onion flavor. All right, so there we have our potato salad with the summer sausage. So without further ado, let's try it. Ellie, would you like to try it? Would you like to try it? That is delicious. The summer sausage comes through nicely with that nice smoky flavor and all the spices within it. And then paired with potatoes and eggs. I mean, what's not to like, right? Meat, potatoes. I mean, it's got the whole thing. What do you think?
Definite meat and potatoes girl. I'm never gonna look at a potato salad again the same way. It's really good.
It is really good. And once again, thanks for the sausage. So without further ado, if you like this video, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, we'll see you later.